I had a brother that had our windows in his own home. And then he also did rental property, and he wouldn't put our top of the line window in the rental properties because he didn't care. He's not paying the utility bills. These are rental properties, et cetera, et cetera. Which okay, that's, whatever. Well, what he didn't think of is he was going to own those rental properties for a while. And so he put less expensive windows in those homes because, again, wasn't where he lived, and he wasn't paying the utility bills, the renters were. Well, he owned those so long that he started having problems with the less expensive windows. And the way their warranties are written, they're lifetime, but there's so many limitations and exclusions that when things started going wrong, they weren't covered. Well, suffice it to say, years later, he had to replace the windows again. Except this time he didn't go cheap, because his intent's to own the home. He's not selling, it's an income, and he doesn't want to keep doing this. So he's like, spend more and do it right this time so that I don't have to do it again. Plus, he's older than me, so I get to make fun of him for that, but he's getting to the point where he doesn't want to fool with it anymore. It's one thing when you're young and you can go out and take care of this and do that and all that, but got other things to do now, and that's not a priority. So it's do it right so I don't have to worry about it. And that's the good thing about Thermo King is, besides the fact that it's a high-end product, it's a high-end warranty. So if something goes wrong, whether you're young or old, you can call us and it's under warranty the vast majority of the time. So it's no skin off your back.